Keeping your Android apps updated is one of the easiest way to enjoy new feature, stronger security and better performance. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update apps on Android phone. Even if you are a complete beginner, let's get started together. First, take your phone, then open the Google Play Store app and make sure your phone is connected to valid Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can see your current Google account profile icon. Tap on the icon to open the next screen. Then scroll down a little, find the Manage Apps and Device option, click on them. Here you can find the Update Available section, tap to open it. Here you can see all of the update available apps listed. For example, my phone show up Gboot is update available. So tap on the update button next to their name and starting update automatically. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe and check out more simple Android guides for the latest 2026 tips.